What I feed my cats every day. Boiled chicken, I use chicken breast. Boiled squash calabaza. Dry food kibbles. Kit Kat wet food, they love this. Mix them well. Lunch timey. Yum.
Okay guys, let me show you how I feed my cats. In the morning, they get 1 can of wellness split between the 2 of them. Then I put 1 scoop out for the whole day. Then I fill up their water. Then I fill up their decoy water.
How was breakfast?
And that's how I feed my cats.
For today's video, I'm going to show you how I feed my cats every morning. Ayan, nalagay na natin ang dry food. Next is yung Alaska fish oil. After nyan, lalagyan nyo na ng boiled water para matunaw yung capsules and mamimix nyo na yung pagkain nila. Nilalagyan ko po siya ng mainit na tubig para mas madaling ma-absorb nila yung water and mas magiging soft yung kanilang dry food when they eat it. Ayan pala yung Alaska fish oil. Next is itong LC-Vit. Lalagyan natin ng 2 cups per lalagyan. Mas prefer ko na ilagay na lang yung vitamins nila sa morning food nila kasi hindi ko kaya kung iisa-isahin ko lahat. Then yan, imimix na natin ang everyone, the everything. Tapos yung next is kanilang wet food. Lalagyan lang natin ng enough lang na tuna or anything para medyong may lasa yung food nila. This way, mas magugustuhan nilang kumain at mas mauubos nila yung food nila. Make sure lang na to spread all of the tuna sa lahat ng food para fair naman sa lahat ng cats nyo na makakain sila lahat ng tuna. And I add more water kasi mas prefer ng cats ko na masabaw. Ang last step po natin is magsisprinkle tayo ng freeze-dried treats. Meron pong freeze-dried na chicken liver, meron ding yolk, meron ding beef, meron ding chicken. And ayan na. Kain time na ang aking mga amo. Ayan sila super excited nang kumain. I am very sure that your cat will love this. And for sure, magiging floof sila sa pagkain na ito. Happy eating, my loves!
Let's make milkshakes and dinner. Holly's already eating, so apologies if you can hear her, but we're starting milkshake off with some of this Tiki Cat After Dark pate. I'm gonna do about half the can. I know this looks like a bigger size, but this can is 3 ounces. There's a good reason why I like these silicone toppers. They fit cans of all sizes. The usual 3-ounce cans of this, it's like smaller. The circumference of the can is smaller, so these work really well. For hydration, I'm gonna use bone broth. You guys did find out that they switched the packaging, but they still carry this product. Here's some of this omega oil. I ran out of our usual pumpkin, so we're using this Firm Up pumpkin today. I wouldn't usually use pumpkin this frequently with Milkshake, but her medication has the potentiality to give her some loose stool, so we're trying to avoid that. Blood sprinkles. You guys already know how much we like these. Well, I guess how much Milkshake likes these. And we're working on slowly working back in her NHV supplements, so I'll do about half the regular serving size. So really it's just like a tiny little squirt of each, but we gotta work these back in slowly. And last but not least is her pain medication, which won't focus. There we go. She gets 2 of these. I'm very lucky that Milkshake will just eat these as long as I mix it in with her food. I'm just gonna mix this up and then we're done. Okay, there you go.